everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anup Singh. You are watching AeroTech Advance YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss related to GATE Aerospace Syllabus. In this topic, we are going to discuss Aerodynamics Syllabus. So, we already done the discussion, the few of the subjects related to GATE examination for aerospace. So, let's see in today's video related to Aerodynamics Syllabus. In this video, I am going to give some overview idea about the syllabus of aerodynamics, and I am going to also give some hint and some ideas how to prepare the aerodynamic syllabus in GATE exam. So let's start this video. So guys, in aerodynamic syllabus, the core topic is basic fluid mechanics. So the first one is basic fluid mechanics. Second topic, core topic is airfoil and wings, and third core topic is compressible flow. And special topic also you can find out in aerodynamics. So let's see the detail syllabus structure in each and every topic of aerodynamics. So guys, in basic fluid mechanics, you need to prepare a basic fundamental laws like conservation laws like mass, momentum in integral form and differential form. So I hope so. Basically, the second year and third year students are completed these types of laws in fluid mechanics. Otherwise, in aerodynamics one, so these types of content you can easily completed in aerodynamics one, and it is not a big deal. You guys are already brush up in the fluid mechanics also. It's very simple law, conservation law, mass and momentum in the integral form and differential form. And then potential flow, that is very important. In potential flow theory, we are learning source, sink, droplet, line, vortex and superposition. We are learning the potential flow theory because we are understanding how the lift is generated, how the flow is going through, how the flow is behaving across the different shape of the object and producing lift. So potential flow is very important topic, is a basic topic generally in aerodynamics. So you can find out the first chapter in aerodynamics subject. So that is not a hard topic, is very simple. You need to go only a simple theory about a source, sink, droplet, and you can find out simple numerical. So do in this area numerical, small numerical, and definition and figure what is source, sink and droplet, and vortex, what is vortex filament, just like. So 1 marks question you can easily find out here, 1 marks, and generally you can find out 1 marks here, conservation of laws, conservation. And then you can find out viscosity and Reynolds number. Is a very common topic what you guys are already done in the basic subjects like introduction of aeronautics and all, and fluid mechanics, viscosity. Reynolds number, just like Reynolds, what is Reynolds number, what is critical Reynolds number in aerodynamics. So that is only, and what is the relation of Reynolds number of coefficient of lift and coefficient of drag. So this is important, not in detail, but only the basic level, because 1 marks numerical you can find out related to that. But in very few question paper I find out the question related to viscosity and superposition in potential flow theory. Basically you can find out 1 mark questions in conservation laws and potential flow like source and sink and droplets, and then you can find out some question in Reynolds number. So this is a basic fluid mechanics. And then the second core topic is airfoil and wings. So airfoil and wings is a very basic topic in aerodynamic, you need to prepare airfoil nomenclature. That is very important. Without knowing airfoil, you can't understand the wing, because airfoil is a 2D section of the wing and wing is the 3D section. So airfoil nomenclature is important, and most of third semester and second semester students are done airfoil nomenclature in basic subject like introduction to aeronautics, basic aircraft science, and then you can find out the aerodynamic forces like aerodynamics coefficient and forces like lift, drag, moment, and one theorem is there that is very important, Kutta-Joukowsky theorem. That is important to understand the lifting properties. So this is a basic topic in airfoil and wing. Let's see the remaining topic. So remaining topic in airfoil and wings is the thin airfoil theory. Kutta condition is very important, because we are learning if the flow is leaving the airfoil with the same velocity. So that is very important. Leaving the flow through the trailing edge of the wing or airfoil at the same velocity at the same point, and starting vortex is also important to understand the formation of lift. Then finite wing theory is important. See guys, finite wing theory means three-dimensional wing, and infinite wing theory means airfoil study. Understand? So in finite wing theory, that's the reason it's called finite wing theory. So don't confuse, sir, what is finite? Finite means having some width of the wing. So that is called wing, three-dimensional wing. And if there is an infinite wing, means there is infinite width, it means airfoil section. So in finite wing theory, we need to learn induced drag. So induced drag, how the induced drag is effect on the lifting properties, that is important. Then Prandtl lifting line theory, guys, that is a important topic. So in this case, you are using the potential flow and vortex filament theory fundamental to understand this theory. Basically, you can see these topics in aerodynamics 1 and 2. So Prandtl lifting line theory is important to know how the lift is generated with the help of starting vortex and using of lifting line theory, vortex filament. So this is important in case of wing theory. And last one is critical Mach number and drag diversion Mach number. So guys, this is also important for supersonic flow. Understand? Supersonic flow. The critical Mach number and drag diversion Mach number study is only for supersonic flow study, and it is important to understand the performance parameter of aerodynamic shape of the wing. So this is about the airfoil and wings. Let's see the remaining topic. The next topic is compressible flow. So in compressible flow, you need to prepare a basic concept of compressible. What is compressibility? Especially compressibility effect is very important to know, because it affects the lifting property of the wing. Compressibility effect is depends upon the speed of the flow, what's the Mach number, and then conservation of equation, that is energy equation, mass equation, momentum equation. So that is applicable in the case of compressible flow. Compressible flow means the Mach number of the flow is greater than 0.3. If it is less than 0.3 means incompressible flow. But compressible flow study is if the flow is greater than Mach number 0.3. So that is study we are doing in compressible flow theory. And then next topic is one dimensional flow, compressible flow, Fano line, Rayleigh line. That is very important, because with the help of that you guys know the flow inside the combustion chamber, the turbulent flow, everything you can understand only because of one dimensional compressible flow, Fano flow, Rayleigh flow. That is defining the aerothermodynamics physics of the flow, of compressible flow. And then you can see the isentropic flow, normal shock wave, oblique shock wave, and then Prandtl-Meyer flow theory, then flow through the nozzle and diffuser, because the shock wave is formed through the nozzle and shock wave is formed at the diffuser also, because supersonic diffuser there is a spike, it's create a shock wave. Depends what types of diffuser we are using, normal shock wave we are creating or oblique shock wave. And nozzles also, CD nozzle, generally we can find out the shock wave on the divergence section of the nozzle. So isentropic flow theory is important to understand. Then we are understand about the normal shock wave, oblique shock wave, Prandtl-Meier's flow function, that is for expansion fan. So this last one is isentropic flow, that is related to gas dynamic portion, that the students are generally covered in third year, 6th semester students. So guys, prepare accordingly, because in this area you can find out more questions, like 3 questions you can find out directly in the compressible flow, 3 to 4 question guys, and mostly you can find out 1 marks and 2 marks numerical questions. So that is very important. So this is about the compressible flow, and I need to back little bit because I forget something. So see in the back, I am going to back in airfoil theory guys. Here airfoil theory I need to mention one thing. You can find out easily 2 mark question, in Prandtl lifting length theory and Kutta condition, 2 marks question and 2 questions easily you can find out. And the one question you can easily find out from critical Mach number, otherwise drag diversion Mach number. Otherwise you can find out in some of the paper 2 marks numerical also, critical Mach number. So in airfoil and wing is very important. And one thing is left I need to say here. You can see here in airfoil and wing, airfoil nomenclature is very important. You can find out 2 marks question in NACA series guys, NACA family. You can always find out 4 digit NACA, 5 digit NACA series, 6 digit NACA series. One question is you can find out easily in the airfoil and wing. Yes, one thing is very important what I need to explain, that is induced drag guys. See here, induced drag, this one. Induced drag is very important. One question is easily come, induced drag, how to find out induced drag, CDI, induced drag coefficient, drag coefficient. So here also you can find out 2 mark questions easily. So target area you need to see and prepare accordingly. There is no need to go randomly and blindly. So now see the spatial topic. What's the spatial topic here, that is elementary idea of viscous flow including the boundary layer. Same boundary layer, there is no need to go very deeply. Boundary layer is related to coefficient of lift and coefficient of drag, and also find out coefficient of friction. That's it. Only you go only for viscous flow, see the relation of CL CD in the terms of Reynolds number. That's it. And the second topic is wind tunnel testing, that is different types of wind tunnel testing, subsonic wind tunnel, supersonic wind tunnel. You can find out here 1 mark question also wind tunnel related, or 2 marks question easily. Wind tunnel question that is related to shock wave or some basic question, thermodynamic question. So that is about wind tunnel. And measurement and visualization techniques like shadowgraph techniques. This is the experimental techniques. So don't forget the experimental techniques, because I find out 2 questions or 1 questions related to visualization technique like shadowgraph method, signaling method, smoke method. So in this case is very important to know all the different types of experimental methods for visualization technique. Optical methods is also important in visualization technique. So prepare accordingly. Don't forget this topic. So last, this in spatial topic you can find out mostly 3 marks or up to 4 marks question. Don't skip a spatial topic, okay, in any subject, because in spatial topic you can find out easily 3 to 4 marks question in the GATE exam. So this is a strategy to prepare of this syllabus. and syllabus of aerodynamics. Not a big, but only big area is gas dynamics portion related to shock wave, normal shock wave, oblique shock wave. If the students are done, very good. But there is a strategy, guys, in shock wave and normal shock wave. I'm going to tell you in video portion. Otherwise, this video is going to very lengthy. I'm going to prepare separately of gas dynamics video. I'm going to give a very shortcut method or shortcut trick to prepare for this aerodynamics syllabus, because I find out some hard question also come in the GATE exam in aerodynamics. So how to find out that types of questions in the book? So let's quickly I'm going to give some idea about the books. Like you can prefer Fundamental of Aerodynamics, that is John D. Anderson, that is very good book. And Aerodynamics for Engineer, author is John J. Bertie. And also there is a Modern Compressible Flow book, author is John D. Anderson. And there is a one book very important related to aerodynamics, Fundamental of Aerodynamics, that is Horton and Carpenter. Author name is Horton and P.W. Carpenter. That is very important. So don't worry, I'm going to give a separate video. In that video, I'm going to mention the book name also. So I hope so you guys are understand. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope so you guys are understand the overview syllabus of aerodynamics, and you guys understand where you need to focus more and what is the weightage. I have done so many surveys on in the GATE question for aerospace engineering. I find out most of the question, and guys, syllabus is not tough, very simple syllabus of aerodynamics. Only you need to required strategy. So I am going to give the strategy and hint. Don't worry, only follow my video, and also just click on the icon button, because once I am going to upload my video related to lecture, you get directly notification. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.